babe.
Hey, what's up?
What's up? What you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Where you trying to go to eat though?
I don't know. Maybe
Don't
Red
worry.
Lobster.
Red Lobster?
Yeah.
Red Lobster. Oh, but I have a little problem though.
What's the problem?
It's when I go with my person on a first date. I go Dutch style.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, Dutch mean I pay for myself and you pay for you. You understand?
Excuse me?
Yeah.
So, you gonna take me out
Yeah.
on a date,
Yeah.
and you gonna tell me you paying, we going Dutch style?
Yeah.
So you gonna pay for yourself, and I'm gonna pay for mine.
Yeah, you understand? Yeah. Just like that.
Let me understand this. So,
Uh-huh.
I went through all this trouble. I lied to my boyfriend to come here.
I understand, but I just want, like, you know?
What do you
this
mean
is
you
first
understand?
date.
You don't
Like,
understand. It doesn't matter. When you take somebody out on the first date, you pay for them.
nah, not my first date, babe. Not my first date. Like, I just met you. I never get none yet. They talking about pay for yourself.
None
What?
yet, and you pay for
What?
yourself.
What are you talking about,
Pay
yo?
for. Say what? You didn't get what? Pay
No.
for myself?
No. My name is.
Who's paying for who?
I'll be paying.
And where we going?
We're going to Red Lobster. I'll be paying.
All right, that's what I thought.
All right, I got you.
Let's go.